Today is July 17th. I'm Barbara.
I am Vicky.
And this is Simon Says.
Time flies. It is already week 3. I hope you had a great term so far. Last Friday, we had a great time in the SDC space.
That's right. All last week we were exploring a variety of volunteer opportunities across campus and around Edmonton. I hope you thought of joining some of these great chances to share your time. Hey Vicky, what's the theme this week?
This week, we are going to talk about one of my favorite topics, food.
Yes, everyone loves food. Vicky, what is your favorite Canadian food?
So there are a lot of foods that I like in Canada. In the summer, I like candy apples and I like maple coffee in the winter.
Sounds delicious. It also sounds like you have a sweet tooth.
Yes, how about you, Barbara?
You know, I really enjoy tourtière. This is a French-Canadian meat pie. I hope you get a chance to try it. Speaking of food, don't forget to check out the cafeteria on the first floor and try out some of their delicious sandwiches and coffee.
Yes.
We asked some of our students what their favorite food is. Let's listen.
Hi, my favorite food is ajiaco. It's a typical Colombian food, and you can find it especially at the capital city.
My favorite food is popcorn.
Popcorn. How about you?
My favorite food is clam chowder.
Crunch. How about you?
My favorite food is onion ring.
And what can students do with us at the SEC this week, Barbara?
That's a great question. The schedule will look the same. On Mondays, we would like to welcome you to use our study tables to complete your homework and hang out with your friends. On Tuesday, during our listening lab, we are going to learn about an important food for the Indigenous people, how to make bannock. Then we are going to invite you to teach us how to make one of your favorite foods.
And on Wednesday, we will play our third Kahoot Cup. Congratulations on winning the first place.
And on Wednesday afternoon, we will learn about Canada's food guide and about many of the idioms that use food in our Read and Write workshop. On Thursday, join us for Conversation Club, where we will talk about food, culture, and restaurants across the city. How about Friday, Vicky? Will we have an adventure?
Of course. So since the topic is food, we are going to a very famous festival. It's called Taste of Edmonton. You can try so many delicious dishes from different countries and have a lot of fun with your friend in Churchill Square.
Ooh, that sounds awesome. And isn't there another exciting festival starting soon?
Yes, so there is a 10 days long festival coming this weekend. If you like going on rides, live music, and you must check out this fun festival, K-Days.
Absolutely. We love K-Days. If you are interested in going to K-Days, check out this link to purchase discounted tickets. Speaking of festivals, we have a challenge.
Yeah, there's a student challenge for you this week.
As you are exploring festivals, we want you to share your photos with us. For every picture you share, your name will be entered into a draw for a prize.
That's right. So after you posting, remember to mention us at uaber.els and hashtag Explore Edmonton. We are looking forward to seeing your post. And this was
Simon Says.